G'day everybody, it's Hunter here. I'm just gonna do a little quick how-to video on something completely abnormal that I don't normally do, like automotive or tech. I suppose it is tech related, but anyway, I bought a suit a while ago and I finally got it picked up. Now I live pretty far away from the city, like 8.5 to 9 hours away, so it's quite a bit of a trip. And anyway, my parents organised to get it up there for me, got up here for me. And they left the security tags on my suit. So, as you can see, they're off now. I'm going to show you how to get these off. It's a pain in the ass when they get on, because a lot of people, they'll get a screwdriver in and they'll pry them open, and other people will burn them open. There's a few different ways of getting them off. I don't like any of those ways because they could potentially damage your clothing. The way they work is there's a little pin, and you can see so this is the base of the pin, and it goes into this side here. And inside this here, there's a spring and then 3 little tiny ball bearing magnets. And then when you press them together, the ball bearings stick out and they prevent the pin from coming out under tension and friction. Now you can pop them off by force, with brute force, but like I said, you can potentially damage your clothing. You can cut them off, but again, you could potentially damage your clothing. There's also 3 little RFID sensors that set off the anti-theft stuff. Now, the easiest way to do it is you get an incredibly powerful magnet. So this is a neodymium magnet. I got this through one of my old jobs. It was just out of a door. This is a door stop, so the door open and there's a magnet connect with this, and it will hold the door open. So I have a few of these. So the way the machine works, sorry, it's not a machine. The way the device works that they use in the store to deactivate this is a magnet, and it pulls the spring and the ball bearings out, which releases the pin. So get a magnet. These aren't that expensive. Don't buy the stupid tool from Amazon or eBay specifically for these, because they're $50. It's not worth $50. You just need a powerful magnet. Even an old vacuum cleaner magnet, the big circle ones, they will do the job perfectly well. You just stick to the bottom of there, and then it's easy if you got nails. I don't. And then you just pull it off. That's it. So you can see the little devices that trigger it, and the spring and washers when there. So put it on, they just push it through and seal. So I can pry it like that. Doesn't work. As soon as I stick the magnet in, it just comes off. That's it. That's how you do it. So get these anyway, because they're really handy. You can use them on your fridge and holding all like important documents up. But that's a nice, quick, easy way on how to get these off your clothes. Thank you. I hope you have a good night and day depending on the world, and see ya.